this lesson, we will plan and carry out investigations to describe and model how energy transfers with sound and light. Let's look back at the video we saw earlier in the lesson. What type of energy do you think you observed when the firework explodes? What type of energy makes it possible for you to hear the firework as it bursts into those bright showers of color? In this activity, you'll conduct an investigation to discover what is needed to make sound and explore how the produced sound can be changed. To carry out your investigation, you'll use the following materials: safety goggles, a sharpened pencil, a paper cup, a paper clip, scissors, a rubber band, a plastic ruler, and tape. Have you ever watched someone play the guitar before? Did you ever wonder how the guitar strings make sound? Rubber bands can be used like guitar strings. Before you begin investigating, make a prediction. What will happen to a rubber band's sound when you pluck it with different amounts of force? When you are finished making your prediction, take a moment to share it with your classmates. Then select Continue. First, put on your safety goggles. Rubber bands, sharpened pencils, and paper clips can cause eye injuries if not handled carefully and appropriately. You'll need to wear your safety goggles during the entire activity. Now, take the rubber band and carefully cut it in one place with the scissors. You'll have one long piece of rubber band when you're done. When you're ready for the next step, select Continue. Next, tie one end of the rubber band to the center of the paper clip in a double knot. Once you have tied your rubber band to the paper clip, have your teacher or another adult check the knot to make sure the band is tied securely to the paper clip. Select Continue to move to the next step. Carefully use the sharpened pencil to poke a small hole in the bottom of the paper cup. Make sure you can just fit the rubber band through the hole. If the rubber band does not fit through the hole you made in your cup, then use the pencil to slightly enlarge the hole until you are just able to fit the rubber band through. When finished, select Continue. Next, thread the rubber band through the hole in the paper cup so that the paper clip is inside the cup. Tape both ends of the paper clip to the bottom of the cup. This will hold the paper clip in place. When you are ready for the next step, select Continue. Now, place the cup upside down on a desk or table. Have a group partner hold the ruler upright against the cup. Use the tape to attach the ruler to the cup in two places. Make sure the ruler is secure and does not move after being taped. When finished, select Continue. Stretch the rubber band a few centimeters above the ruler. Take the stretched rubber band up and over the top of the ruler and tape it in place. Are you ready to make sound? If so, then select Continue. Hold the cup in place with one hand and then pluck the rubber band with your other hand. Watch the rubber band and listen to the sound it makes. Record your observations in the table for the first pluck. When ready, select Continue to move on. Now, use a smaller amount of force to pluck the rubber band. Observe how the rubber band moves and sounds. Record your observations for the second pluck. When ready, select Continue to move on. Finally, pluck the rubber band with a larger amount of force than you used for your first pluck. Observe how the rubber band moves and sounds. Does the third pluck sound different than the first or second pluck? Record your observations in the third pluck section of the table. When you have finished recording your observations, Please select Continue. Now that you have finished gathering information, take some time to communicate your findings. Use your data to complete the Communicate Information section.